Here is how to create Instagram highlights. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account, and once done, go ahead and tap on this profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then select Archive from how you use Instagram. And at the top, select Stories Archive. Once you've switched to Stories Archive, you need to choose the story that you want to add to a highlight. So go ahead and tap on the specific story and tap on the highlight button in the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, go ahead and select any highlight that you want to add the picture to. Or if you want to create a new highlight, go ahead and tap on this plus icon, provide a name for the highlight, and then tap on the add button, which is highlighted in blue color. Likewise, you can go ahead and choose other stories to add on a specific highlight that you want to. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.